Morning, folks. Jeff from Rvdiagnostics. It's a colder month now. It's end of November. I think it's 29th or something of that nature. I'm up here at Lum's Pond. Remember I said we're going to spend about a month up here on and off. Go home like Friday, leave Sunday. So my wife don't have to travel 4 hours a day. Doing preventive maintenance. Let me show you. I washed out the filter and cleaned this up. Since it's wintertime, I'm not using these. I'd still turn them on by here so I can circulate the heat. All right, but I'm going to show you what happens. Now, this is just cleaning one of them and letting it soak. It really didn't look dirty. This is just one. All right, so that's pretty darn dirty water there. All right, just to show you a little bit. Now, unfortunately, these are 22 years old and it finally broke. It's getting brittle, so I'll probably get some new ones. It's back here, so I got a little bit more cleaning to do. Now here's my duct right here. So it's a duct system, and I'll look for all this being dirty. There's a little bit of dirt there. I'll get that cleaned up. All right, here's the screws that hold up 2, 4, 6. This is a 99 Beaver. These are a 13.5 with heat pump. The rear one in the bedroom is heat pump. Back in 99.
It's misleading information.
So it's called furnace and heat pump. There you go. So the furnace is the hydronic heater Hurricane, and then heat pump. All right, so there we go. I'm slowly doing a preventive maintenance. That's all that was about, folks. Preventive maintenance. All right, preventive maintenance. All right, what's the motto? Test, not guess. Please clean your air filters, folks, because once they get clogged, the efficiency goes down. And remember, I use mine summer and winter. Wintertime, I use them to circulate the heat. They're not that noisy because of how this design. See, I got the little ducts. And what I'm trying to do is find one that has bi-directional. I might bend these, hoping not to mess the paint up. If not, I'll paint it. But right now it blows AC when I'm driving down the road. Plus, remember, I did a video on the front AC, so this system's kicking butt. But as it gets hot because of the windshield, and this, believe it or not, even the quality of this coach, this was not insulated on the outside. It's just steel. So eventually what I'm going to do is put in a custom dog ramp, right? Here, let me show you, because I got my 2 puppies with me. One probably unlocked it. See, right now we use that doggy ramp right there. Well, speaking of them, there they are. That's Storm. She's getting ready to be 3 years old come in April. And there's old Bella back there. She's 14. All right, so that's the next venture. So this, when the generator's running, I can blow AC down where my wife sits and I drive, and we really feel comfortable. All right, so that's probably a good idea. I'm gonna bend these because I can't find none this size. And so we got what, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So take 5 that way, 5 that way, and it distributes the cool AC air right in front. And right there, those kick butt for her. All right, so once again, Jeff from Rvdiagnostics. Thank you for listening. A little bit of preventive maintenance. Y'all take care. Remember the motto? Test, not guess. You're right. All right. Safe travels. May your campfires burn bright till we meet again. You know where we're going to meet. We're going to meet here on a YouTube channel. Please subscribe. We're going to meet at a fueling station getting diesel or gas. I don't care if you got a pop-up or a tent. Come on over and say hello. I don't care if you're riding around in a $2-3 million Prevo. Come on over and say hello. The other one is we're going to meet at campgrounds like here. I always tell people where I'm going so we can meet up. I think 16 so far up here I've met. Some of them don't want to be videoed, and you got to respect that. But I'm just telling you 16. All right. The other one is at my garage in school. And it's taking off like a fat rat, boy. Woo! Running. I ought to say skinny rat, because skinny rat take off faster. So there you go. We do all kind of stuff there. We got 50 amp water and sewage, and we go over complete RV, making personal videos of me talking about everything on your RV. Right now, that's about $400 a day. That includes staying in the back, 50 water and sewage, because you remember, I got to get that 600-gallon tank pumped out, and it's $600 every time I get it pumped out. So the cost averages itself out. It does pretty good. Thank you for understanding. You can stay there for a while. All right. So once again, safe travels.